Hello my friends, welcome to Joystick. In this video, I will show you how to install flake8 in Python on Windows 11. Flake8 is a popular tool used to find syntax errors in Python code and enforce Python coding standards. So let's begin. First, we are going to ensure that Python and pip are installed correctly on your system. To do that, we are going to click on the Windows icon and then type cmd in the search bar. Once the command prompt appears, click on it. When the command prompt opens, just type Python space -- version, hit enter, and then type pip space -- version, hit enter. Testing 1 2 3. If Python and pip don't appear over here, then don't worry. I have made separate videos on installing Python and pip on Windows 11. Check them out. You can find the links to them in the description box. Come back to this video once that is done. But if you see the versions of Python and pip appearing over here after running these two commands, then you're good to go. Now to keep things clean, we are going to create a Python project folder. I am going to create that folder in my desktop, but you can choose to create it wherever you want. So using the mkdir command, let's create a folder called flake8_project. Hit enter. You can see flake8_project folder has been created over here on my desktop. Now we are going to go inside this folder. Here we are going to create a virtual environment. Why virtual environment? Because it is going to keep project dependencies isolated from other projects. And it won't let the modules that we are going to install in this virtual environment mess with other system packages or packages installed in other projects. The command to create a Python virtual environment is very simple. It will be Python space -m vmv and the name of the virtual environment. Let's call it flake8_vmv. Hit enter. Now, if this command doesn't throw any error, that means virtual environment is successfully created. All right, no error. Now we are going to activate this virtual environment. So we are going to write the name of our virtual environment, which is flake8_vmv. We'll write scripts, that's with capital S, \activate. Hit enter, and you can see the virtual environment has become active. Now let's install flake8. The command is very simple. It will be pip install flake8. Hit enter. You can see the installation has begun. And it ended very quickly. Good to see this line, successfully installed flake8. Now we are going to test its installation. So we are going to create a sample.py file and we are going to open it in Notepad. Alright, the file is opened. Here we are going to write a simple add function in Python that is going to accept two parameters and it's going to return a plus b. That means the summation of the two parameters. Let's do one thing. Let's not give the indentation over here. Now we are going to save this file sample.py. Let's go back to the command prompt. Here we are going to run a command flake8 sample.py. Flake8 space sample.py and we hit enter and there you go. It says indentation error. Expected an indented block after function definition on line 1. Now let's give the proper indentation. Save the file again. Go back to command prompt and rerun flake8 space sample.py command. Although this error is fixed, but flake8 has reported more style issues directly in the terminal. But the important thing is flake8 has been installed successfully. Let's deactivate the virtual environment now. And with this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to install flake8 in Python on Windows 11 from this video of Joystick. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take very good care of yourself.